Hi, it's Wendy at the library. I am going to show you how to make this great movable butterfly today. It's one of our take and make kits at the library that you can sign up for. So here we go for instructions. Letting you know that you'll get a couple sheets in your kit, one on white and one on yellow cardstock. You'll get a couple small straws and then a couple larger straws. And these are sized so that they can fit inside of each other. It's funny that this one has a scoop on the end. You don't need that, but so you'll be getting that in your kit. And what you'll need at home is your scissors, something to decorate your butterfly with, and a couple pieces of tape. So let's turn it down. I'll show you how we're going. So I'm going to do it on the yellow cardstock today, so bear with me as I cut this out. I'll do just a rough job today, but if you take your time and go around, you can have those little antennas sticking out really nice. But here we go. Just do it really carefully. It says right on here to cut out and fold on the dotted line. So you're going to cut out all around the outside of this shape of your butterfly. It's a very large middle. There we go. Around. Bear with me as I get over here to this little section. And then I'm just doing a rough cut. I'm just going to go around it really easy. You can color it in first before you cut it out if you want. I'm just going to do a quick design, so I'm cutting mine out first just to get it raring to go. There we go. All right, so, and then before I even color, I'm going to see where these marks are for folding, and I will fold it up in the middle. Kind of line these wings up so you know where the middle really is, and press it down. And then they get folded over at those dotted lines. Fold it down. And then on this side also. And fold it down. There we go. So you'll have a shape like this. It will come together in the middle. I forgot that I connected these two pieces with my glue stick. You could even tape the top together if you wanted, but if you just put some glue in the middle there and squeeze it together, that's going to make your butterfly. It's a nice sturdy middle. Now for decorating the wings, I'm going to do, I've got these wide markers so they cover pretty quickly. We'll go around the edges. Put some cool designs in there. And do a big one with a small one in the middle, however you want. Now I would do the other wing the same way, just so it's symmetrical like a butterfly. It's not perfect, but it is same. There we go. And then a big one with a little one inside. You can add dots around the edges. You can do multicolors. You can color it in. The first butterfly that I made, I did on the white cardstock, so I colored it all in. This yellow piece I did in the kits because I figured it's already a set colored background for you. When I hold this, I can also separate my two antennas, so I'm gonna give them a little color too. There we go. There we are. And you can decide if you're going to do anything on the bottom. And the only thing I'm going to do on the bottom is little dots underneath of their wings, because a lot of butterflies and moths do not have the top of their wings the same colors as the inside, so that's okay. And some dots here. So I did include 2 small straws and 2 big straws because you do have 2 different options here, so it might be fun to make both butterflies and see how they come out and see what you like better. Your designs may be different. It's a little bit easier with the colored paper that you didn't have to color in as much. But let's go ahead and we will attach our straws. We're going to take the small straw first. This bendy part is at the bottom. That's okay, we don't even need to deal with it. But at the top, we're going to cut a small slit, maybe a 1/2 inch. So you want to hold it and go right even, so that you have your little bit on each side of your scissors. Go down about a 1/2 inch like that. And then we're going to open these up. I even fold them to the side and flatten them out. But this is how we're going to open up and put it on the bottom of our butterfly, right in the middle. There we go, like that. And flatten them down, and we're going to tape it. So, take a little piece of tape and tape that one on. One side done. Turn over. I'm going to flatten this one out. Little piece of tape onto that one. So now that's our stick that holds our butterfly. But now to make the movement of what's going to go up and down, you're going to need to cut this bigger straw, probably cut 1/3 of it off. A little bit more than half anyway, so probably like that. Oops, and we don't need that end, we only need this one, because this is the one that's going to go on our straw, come up, and it's going to go further up and touch the wings. So we're going to make a slit in it, and we're going to slit it almost halfway down. I'll show you on this one before I even get done. See how it's taped underneath the wing? And then it goes all the way down that slit to there, because that lets us go up and down. It's slit, and it goes right between that paper. So that's what we're going to do with this one. We're going to cut it, hold it centered, and about almost to halfway. That looks pretty good to me. There we go, our 2 pieces. Now I'm going to put it in my straw. Oops. Thread it back in there. It's a little easier before, I think. There we go. And slide this right up on each side of that and push it up till you're into the wing section. And we're going to do just like the other piece. We're going to squish it flat and then tape it on. And that's a really good. Now turn over to this side, squish it flat so we can tape it on. And there we go. Then when we pull it down, it will pull our wings. The first time you do it, it almost has a hard time bending and folding. So I like to fold it down and squish and squeeze that tape back on once it's folded. So there we go. Let's see. Now go up and down. Here we go. Super. So that was a pretty fun, easy craft to make. I hope you enjoy it. I hope there's butterflies flying around all over. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.